I want to make a really quick review of one of these 30-minute mission sets. This is the first one we got, and I just picked this up at a local hobby store. It was just $14 for this mech horse. Most of the other sets I've had so far have been these kind of Gundam ones, like as you see here, kind of for a size comparison. Obviously, this is a pretty high quality model, but for $14, I was actually really impressed kind of by both the size and just overall quality of this horse. An 8 and 10-year-old were able to build it by themselves without any issue. It also comes with a little piece that allows you to attach various robots' body parts, as you can see the top part of the body, onto the horse, kind of making it a centaur. Has simple, standard instructions, but just all in all, for $14, this is a really neat set, and obviously it moves just like all these in every possible position. You can mount, we actually had this mounted on top of the horse earlier. And just for the price, these 30-minute missions, I'm not sure if that's geared to the idea that you can finish this in 30 minutes. But this is really cool. In fact, if you go to the website or Amazon, if you search 30-minute missions, you can see tons and tons of these robots. And unlike the usual prices where they're kind of expensive, these tend to range between like 15 and 25 and some kind of in the 30s, but they're quick, cheap, and I was kind of impressed. I've never seen these before. I normally just kind of see the Konami, like the Gundams, like I said, the ones that are much bigger, kind of more expensive, but this is awesome. The fact that you just buy a robot for 20 bucks or even less, just build this and have a cool toy like this, I think it's super awesome. So yeah, if you see one of these at your local hobby store or just browsing online on Amazon, I think this set is surprisingly cool. And I'm going to get some more of these 30-minute mission sets, make some reviews, and see how they are. I currently have this other massive set that I just got. Going to be building that one. But this is way, way larger, obviously, in comparison to something like this. But yeah, also just FYI, if anyone is not aware, these do not require any glue, obviously, so they can be a little flimsy. Pieces kind of can fall off, but in the end, it is a model and not a toy. So as long as you're kind of gentle, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, let me know if you tried one of these, if you've made one of these 30-minute mission sets. But I'm a fan so far.